Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Verizon Cloud Secure Backup Storage app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Verizon Cloud is a secure cloud storage app designed to help users automatically back up, sync, and access their photos, videos, contacts, and documents across multiple devices. It ensures that your important data stays protected and easily recoverable even if your phone is lost, damaged, or upgraded. The app is available for both iOS and Android and is primarily built for Verizon users, offering a smooth cloud experience integrated with their network services. The app's main feature is automatic backup, allowing users to securely store their media and files in real time without manual effort. Verizon Cloud also provides easy tools to organize photos and videos, access files from any connected device, and share them privately or publicly. It supports restoring old data, making device transitions effortless. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Verizon Cloud for its reliable backup, cross-device accessibility, and simple interface. It's especially useful for users who frequently switch devices or want to safeguard their digital memories. The ability to restore files with one tap and view media directly from the cloud adds to its convenience. However, there are some drawbacks. The free storage space is limited, and users may need to purchase a premium plan for larger backups. Uploading large files can occasionally be slow, depending on network conditions. Additionally, since it's primarily for Verizon customers, users outside the network may face restrictions or limited support. In summary, the Verizon Cloud app may be worth using if you're a Verizon customer seeking a secure, automatic way to back up and access your files anytime, anywhere. However, if you prefer third-party storage services with more free space or faster uploads, it might not be the best option for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.